My name's John Williams. I'm a soil scientist with ADAS, and here we are at the Groundswell event in the soil pit here at Groundswell. And what we're looking at here is the soil in the field which has not been ploughed for over 10 years. So we've got really good soil structure here, and what we're able to show here is the fact that we've got these lovely cracks, continuous cracks going through the soil, good structure allowing the roots to get down, increasing the water infiltration as well, so we're able to get water from the surface down into the chalk. We've even got some wormholes here, some worm channels, and because the soil hasn't been ploughed for that length of time, we've got the continuity of cracks from the surface down to the subsoil. And what's really interesting here is what the farmer trying to achieve is to increase the soil organic matter content of arable soils. This field has been used for arable production until the last 3 or 4 years, when they planted a grass herbal ley in this field. And in arable systems, it's really difficult to build soil organic matter, because ultimately the options are to use organic materials such as farmyard manure or biosolids, which may be difficult to source in arable areas. And using grass, you're able to increase the amount of organic matter that's going into the soil through the roots and the vegetation. And also the fact that we're not cultivating the soil annually means that we're increasing the amount of organic matter going into the soil, and we're able to retain it in the soil as well. And in here we have this within the herbal ley, we have different plant species. We have chicory, which is a really good deep rooting. You can see the taproot here for the chicory going the right way down into the subsoil, and that means it's able to grow in very droughty conditions, which means that we have a sward there which livestock can graze during very dry conditions. We have clovers and vetch, which are really good at building nitrogen in the soil. They fix nitrogen from the atmosphere, building the soil fertility. And we also have herbs like samphoin, this lovely pink flower here, which has benefits in terms of digestibility for the livestock. So this kind of thing, this gives an insight in the kind of work that we've been doing here at ADAS, in terms of being able to understand how soil management practices and agricultural practices influence soil quality in particular. And obviously, if we have good, healthy soils, we're able to produce lots of lovely food with minimal impact on the environment. Our soil scientists are very happy to help people achieve those goals.